How to view the debit card number on the Chase application. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about viewing the debit card number on the Chase. So now let's get started. So in order to view your debit card number using the Chase application on your smartphone, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open the Chase application on your device first. Once the app is opened, tap on the option labeled as See Card located on the home screen, and after that you can find your card details conveniently listed under the section titled as See Details. In addition to viewing your debit card number, if you need to find your routing and account numbers as well, you can log into the Chase mobile app using your credentials first and then choose the account title corresponding to your banking account. And from there, select the option that says Show Details, which will provide you with the necessary information. And if you find yourself without your physical debit card and need to access your debit card number, there are alternative methods you can utilize. One option is to contact your bank's customer service, where they will be assisting you in verifying your identity to retrieve your debit card number safely. And alternatively, you can also review your bank statements or log into your online banking account where you might be able to locate the last four digits of your debit card number for reference. Additionally, for users who prefer to manage virtual cards directly from their smartphones, there are applications available to help you do so. You can utilize the Privacy's Android app or Privacy's iOS app to store and manage virtual cards, making the process of keeping track of your finances more streamlined and accessible. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can view your debit card number on the Chase application. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.